Sometimes lower dead batteries just need a charge, but if a battery won't hold that charge, it's time for a new one. We've got a tool that will help you determine the battery's condition by testing its voltage, cold cranking amps, and more. Hey everybody, it's RJ and we're here in the Tech Shop Garage. Today we're talking about the BT200 battery tester from TopDon. The BT200 is a handheld battery, cranking, and charging system tester that uses advanced conductance testing technology and incorporates reverse polarity protection. According to TopDon, the BT200 will provide the professional technician and the DIY vehicle owner with critical information about battery health status by identifying battery and charging problems quickly, efficiently, and accurately. Okay, so let's check out some of its features. With this tool, you can test both 12-volt and 24-volt batteries, as well as multiple battery types, such as VRLA, gel, AGM, EFB, and regular flooded batteries. You can use it not only on cars and light trucks, but also on RVs, motorcycles, ATVs, and boats. You can see how the battery clamps are professional strength, and the tool features an ergonomic design for a non-slip grip. Once you have it hooked up to the battery, operation is easy as the user is guided through each step in the testing process. The battery test not only tells you if it's a good or bad battery, but it also displays how many cranking amps the battery has and its charge level, giving you a good idea of the battery's condition. The display will show state of health, state of charge, voltage, current, and rating. The BT200 also conducts cranking tests, so you can quickly test a starter's amperage draw, as well as a charging test to check out the alternator's condition. So, if you're in the market for a new battery tester, check out the BT200 from TopDon. You can find more information about this tool and TopDon's many other tools at TopDonUSA.com. For more tool showcase videos, click on the video icon on TechShopMag.com. This is RJ from the Tech Shop Garage. Thank you for watching.